You know my tears are gold, shades of whiskies and...
So Vinil, what are these things?
Yeah, these are idlis. This is normal typical Indian breakfast. Like it's made with lentils and with rice. The lentils and rice in the whole night in water, and then they mix it, and then there are some special forms like this. They keep this paste on this here, and then they cook it in pressure cooker.
Amazing, and that's what you have for breakfast, yeah?
Yeah. Just swallowing my pride. Your footprints in the sand start to fade.
Good morning, guys. We've been awake for quite a while now. We are now heading to, where are we heading to?
A waterfall?
We're heading to a waterfall.
And some kind of cave.
And some kind of cave, okay.
So I don't...
So let's see what we're gonna see. Anyway, I had like, how much sleep did we have, Felix?
About like 3 or 4
3 hours. But I feel really fit for having like only that bit of sleep.
Because you drank coffee.
Yeah, that's true. I had some coffee this morning. I have to have some coffee. That was a good coffee actually. Yeah, so let's go!
Sweetie, give me some beers. I'm following the tide. Just swallowing my pride. Your footprints in the sand start to fade away. I'm following the tide. Just swallowing my pride. Your footprints in the sand start to fade away.
Yeah. I don't actually know what this is here. I'll have to ask Vinil. Let's check it out. Okay, Vinil, where are we now?
Yeah, we are near to Waterfall. Normally in winter there's a lot of water here.
Yeah.
Like people will be coming here from the cities nearby, and they want to see the culture here. The place next to what we are going there in the museum, you can see that culture there.
Okay, but this is like for the water special.
Yeah, water special.
Okay. It's time to try pineapple biscuits. It's like an Oreo.
Yes.
Ja, ganz genau so, wie ich es mir vorgestellt habe.
Yeah, it tastes like pineapple. Between two biscuits.
Very crossy.
Making this video, I feel like Lamar Wilson doing the Oreo taste challenge.
Like, you know.
You did it. You did it.
Vinil, where are we? What's here?
Yeah, we are now at Galikonda viewpoint. This is like 3,700 meters from sea level. Like there's a lot of look, and you can see there's a lot of viewpoints here. That's why it's called viewpoint. Everyone stops here.
Okay, so let's check it out. Wow. Better not drop you guys.
Fade away. You fade away. Fade away. Fade away.
You know my tears are gold, shades of whiskies and beers. Again I hold to ward of the fears. I drown myself in sea of questions. I'm asking why I'm not by your side.
Pretty big, huh?
That's what she said.
Swallowing my pride. Your footprints in the sand start to fade away. I'm walking down the streets, everyone looking at me. Got my head high, honey, cause I'm fuck out these bitches. They said that I'm fucking crazy, but baby, come on, it's easy. I kill all these fucking MCs cause I don't
I think
care
it's insane how massive this place is. It's like, this is like the second part after going through that small hole. It's like massive, absolutely massive, and you can hear all these bats.
Hey there Pieps, der sagt doch immer Pieps, oder?
I don't know.
Hey there guys,
Are you
I just took away Philip's vlogging camera, so now we can talk shit about him, like.
Yeah.
You know, in this cave there's a very very strong smell. I think it's because of Phillip,
Yeah, I
right?
think so too.
We really have to go swimming now to wash all the stinky Phillip stuff off.
Yeah, we should do that. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Just leave Phillip right behind us, right?
Okay, so I just wanted to say something really nice to Felix and Valentine. I wanted to say that you have to remember this moment because it's probably the last time in their life that they're going to come to this place. What do they have to say? Well, I don't want to come here anyway because it stinks. What the hell is wrong with you?
Well, it stinks.
Anyway, I think it's amazing how massive it is, but I can't really sort this, like categorize it to India. It doesn't kind of fit in my head. But yeah, I wonder how many times that's going to happen here in India. And now we're finished with all the steps and gonna head outside. Boom. Imagine flying over that. Man. Whoosh. Switching to GoPro now. Okay, so now we're gonna head down to where we're gonna go to a lagoon,
Katika.
a waterfall
Katika heißt das.
Katika with this thing.
But I found that sunny. My English smell shit, but I don't mind. And I do my things. Yes, in my mind I bleed, but I dry my tears. Baby, give me some beers. I'm fulfilling the time. Just fulfilling my pride. Your footprints in the sand start to fade away.
That was insane.
I'm fulfilling the time. Just fulfilling my pride. Your footprints in the sand start to fade away.
Forget about any video game shit, Uncharted 4, whatever. This is real life Uncharted. And Vanille's already having a bath. Vanille, how's the water?
The water is very cold and it's very fresh.
It's turned to anger, the broken glass of wine.
Oh, invasion of the
A
monkeys.
crimson in the carpet. This is why I'm not by your side. I'm fulfilling the time. Just fulfilling my pride. Your footprints in the sand start to fade away.
It's time to get ice cold. Yeah! No! Living life! Absolutely amazing! Oh, enjoy life and live the adventure! Enjoy life and live the adventure! Papa Louis! Finally I can have a shower! Yeah! Absolute no! Whoa! Whoa! Shit! Whoa! What now we do? Okay, it's time to do the jump! Oh, I can't believe I'm doing this! Alright, what's there? Das sind Kiessteine, ne? Oder Fische, keine Ahnung.
Nein, das sind nur Steine.
Okay. Oh. I can't believe I did it. Ja, Jungs. Ah! I can't believe this, guys. I'm in India, standing next to a waterfall, living life. This is absolutely so awesome. Wow! Yeah! Mosquito alarm. Okay, the shadows from this light are making really strange shadows. And whoa! Whoa! It's getting scary now, we can't see anything. Ah!
Digga, was ist da?
Now it's time to head home in the dark. What an amazing day. Everyone okay?
Yeah, perfect. That was true.
How are you, Van doing?
I'm good. I'm still a bit in shock. This was dangerous. Like really dangerous. He nearly died. Twice.
Yeah, that was crazy, wasn't it? I was showering when that happened. If you think about it, this is like the most amazing thing you could actually do right now. It's like in the middle of the night, you can't see anything.
You can really not.
You can really not see anything. And we're driving with a Jeep off-road, jumping all over the place, getting back to our place, and we're not even close to any kind of life or civilization or anything. It's crazy. So we've come to the first place where we had our first meal, the breakfast, and yeah, for a small break. And now they've ordered spicy chicken, and Felix feels strong enough to eat it. And Valentin wants to try as well.
It's pretty nice.
That's good. That's really good, actually. And it's true. But whoa, whoa. Oh, that's impressive. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, that's spicy. Ooh, that's spicy. Yeah. Isn't it, Felix?
Another one! It's good. It's not too spicy, I think it's alright. By the way, this is the other stuff they gave us. Also really tasty. Time for another coffee. Guys, it's 5 o'clock in the morning and I'm not finished with the edit. Felix is finished.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
He's starting his upload. I'm still uploading yesterday's video because I was a bit late. And yeah, still doing the edit from today.
But it's worth it.
It's worth it. It's worth
All
it.
the work is worth it.
Loads of work, but it's worth it. But it's time to finish the vlog and finish the vlog edit. So I would say, see you tomorrow. Are we in the jungle invited? Whoa. Oh, shoo-doo, I wanna dance with you. Shoo-doo up. I had to be with you. Shoo-doo.